Hello, my name is Kugenthan Krishnan. My student ID is 20243799, and this is my project for the advanced programming module. This smart city application is designed for London City and aims to assist newcomers by providing essential information about jobs, tourism, education, and business. I'll start by showing the core part of my code, including database connection, CRUD operation, and design patterns. After that, I will demonstrate the application to showcase how everything works together. For this project, I used Next.js for the front end to create a modern and responsive user interface, and Spring Boot with Gradle for the backend to handle server-side logic and connect to the database. And here you can see the database connection code. I used exam server as a database server, and this is the code for the connection between front end and back end. So you can see the local host 3000, and here is the controllers, business controllers, job application controllers. Here is the business modules, job application modules, reservation modules. These are code for services, business services, emergency contact services, file storage services, job application services. Here is the code for business. This code defines the business model to map and manage business table and in the database. This is the one of the service controller code. Is a business service controller. Business the business service the business This is the code for business service. The business service handles all the core logic for managing business, like adding, updating, and retrieving data from the database. Here you can see the code for the update business, and this is one of the controller code for business controller. Is the API layer that defines how admins or users interact with the system. Admins can add, update, or delete business, uh, while user can view details or image. The controller uses the services to perform the task, keeping the system modular and well organized. Like, this is the backend code. Now next I am going to show my front end code. This is my front end code. I use Next.js for my front end. This is the code for add business rovers, and this is the code for fetch. This is the code for fetch business data from the data, and this is the code for handle delete, and this is the code for edit business, and this is the code for search function, search filters, and this is the code for the admin login. Here I used the factory pattern for login handlers. This is the code for admin login, and next I am going to run my system, and this is my database table, smart city. You can see the database, my database here, and Next, I'm going to run my systems. I have to run my backend. My backend running perfectly. Now I'm going to run my front end code. My system perfectly running in localhost 3000. My system running perfectly. This is the my home page of my system. Throughout the system, users or travelers can get the details about job, tourism, student and business related data. Additionally, I have added functions like apply for jobs and reserve the restaurants. If you go to the jobs, you can get into the job page. Here I have added the filter option, the healthcare, retail. The filter function perfectly working, and also you can use the search function, and this is the different. It's the part for tourism part, the student modules, business, cafe, and also you can apply for the job throughout the system. You can see this application submitted successfully. Also throughout the system, you can reserve the restaurants. You can see the booking submitted successfully. Also, user can sign up here. Log out. If you use the admin username and password, you can access the admin dashboard. Throughout this admin dashboard, admin can manage everything like user, tourism, business, job, student, and you can see the my job applications here, and user. And for example, I can add at a tourism spot. is successfully added. You can see here. Also, you can edit this. It's updated successfully, and you also remove this as well. So all CRUD functions are working perfectly, and you click logout, you will get into the home page of the Smart City application, Smart City web application. And also throughout the system, users can view the accurate location of the destination. Also, they can get directions for their destination. I believe this Smart City web application will definitely help to travelers and users get new city very friendly and easily. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your watching. Thank you.